How's it everyone, Grant here, welcome back to the channel. And today I'm very excited and both very nervous at the same time because as you can see here, I've got the much hyped, much talked about dome glass tempered glass screen protector from Whitestone for my Galaxy S9 Plus. So first things, thanks to Whitestone for sending this over for me to check out and review. This will actually be my very first dome glass that I try to install and use, so I'm really crossing my fingers that the install goes well. But if you're not familiar with Whitestone, they're considered to be the best tempered glass screen protector for any phone, but in particular for curved glass displays, because this is an actually fully adhesive curved glass tempered glass screen protector. And so if you know, most of these curved glass tempered glass screen protectors tend to only be adhesive on the sides and not to actual display. So that's what Whitestone is. It'll fully adhere to the display of the phone and curve around the edges seamlessly. So let's just go through the installation process and then I'll come back later and let you know how it went as well as what I think about the tempered glass. Hey everyone, so as you can see, I've installed the Whitestone Dome screen protector and I've been using it for a few days. And as you can see here in the middle, I've actually unfortunately got some bubbles that have not gone away. I was hoping they would go away after a few days, but unfortunately they have not. It could just be my issue in installing it because this is my first time. But the screen was very clean and I thought the liquid screen protector or adhesive went on very cleanly, as you saw. But just letting you know that could happen. It doesn't affect when I'm using the device. When I have the screen on, I don't really see it. Just pointing it out that it could happen. And the other thing is that after using it for a few days, it does collect a little bit of lint, as you can see there at the top, but not nearly as much as those that have adhesive all the way around. I find those collect a little bit more lint than this does. And lastly, it should be case friendly, so there is a lot of room between the screen protector and the edge of the frame there. As you can see, it'll fully protect the display, but it leaves some room, so it's case friendly. And so stay tuned to the channel. I've got several cases from several different case manufacturers, so you can see how well it plays with a bunch of different cases as well. And it goes on very seamlessly, as you can see, so the only way we can tell I actually have a screen protector on this is by the cutout at the top, which is needed for the camera, earpiece, and some of the sensors there. But otherwise, it's the most clean and seamless tempered glass, curved glass, tempered glass screen protector that I've ever installed. So lastly, would I recommend this? I mean, I can't recommend this to everybody just because of the price, but you know, at $45, some people will say it's an investment, and when you're spending hundreds of dollars on a phone, especially one like the Galaxy S9 Plus right now, what's really $45 to protect it? And that's perfectly fine, I totally agree with that. But when there's screen protectors at $10, I could see why people would hesitate. And so there are options out there at around the $10 price point, but they don't fully adhere to the screen, as you can see. So when the screen is off, it's a lot more duller, as you can see here. These have a dot matrix pattern that bothers some. This one is very small, I don't really see it, and sometimes there's a rainbowing effect. So, and as you can see here, it collects a lot more lint on the edges. But these do work, this survived the drop. But if you don't want to deal with, you know, lint, this much lint collecting on the edges, you don't want to deal with potential dot matrix patterns or potential rainbowing effects on your display, you just want something that looks a lot more seamless, and you don't mind spending a few more dollars to get that, the Whitestone Dome definitely is highly recommended. But I can definitely say that of all tempered glass screen protectors, this is looking like it's going to be the best that I've ever used. And so a really great job by Whitestone here on the curved glass, fully adhesive curved glass screen protector for the Galaxy S9 Plus. So if you have any other questions or comments, leave them down below. And as always, thanks for watching.